Díhuit agus fáilte arás. Hello and welcome back. In this Irish language video we're going to look at the Irish verb to do or to make, and that verb is déan. Déan, to do or make. So let's look at it in terms of the I'm sure catcha. That's the past tense, I'm sure catcha. Rinne mé, I made, and the negative form of that would not be ní rinne or near rinne, but because it's irregular, the negative form of rinne mé is ní dhearna. Ní dhearna, I didn't make or I didn't do. So rinne mé and ní dhearna. The present tense then, that would be I'm sure láithreach. The present tense, I'm sure láithreach. So the verb in that context would be déanam, and then the negative form of that would be ní dhéanann. So déanam, ní dhéanann will be the positive and negative form of to make in the I'm sure láithreach. And the future tense then, that's I'm sure oshnach, that would be déannig mé, as in I will do or I will make, déannig mé, and ní dhéannig, I will not make, déannig mé and ní dhéannig. So let's look at some sentences now where we can use the Irish verb déan, to do or to make. So rinne mé cupán té. Rinne mé cupán té. I made a cup of tea. Níl sé furfa ach rinne mé mo dhíthil. Níl sé furfa, it's not perfect, ach, but I tried my best. Rinne mé mo dhíthil. It's not perfect, but I tried my best. Níl sé furfa ach rinne mé mo dhíthil. And the present tense of do your best or try your best is déan do dhíthil. Déan do dhíthil, do your best. Tá sí ag déanamh loin. She is making lunch. Tá sí ag déanamh loin. Cad é atá tú a dhéanamh anocht. What are you doing tonight? Cad é atá tú a dhéanamh anocht. Déannig mé an obair bhaile anocht. I will do my homework tonight. Déannig mé an obair bhaile anocht. Déannig sí císte níos muille. She will make a cake later. Déannig sí císte níos muille. The word later is níos muille. Okay, that brings us to the end of this Irish language video. Thank you very much for watching, and feicigh mé níos déanaí hu. I will see you later, or I will see you again. Feicigh mé níos déanaí hu.